Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of the MSI MAG 32-inch 4K Premium Pro gaming monitor. This monitor promises to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience with its stunning visuals and advanced features. Let's dive into what makes the MSI MAG 32-inch 4K Premium Pro gaming monitor a top choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, you can check the link below for more info and the best price available today. First off, let's talk about the design. The MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor features a sleek and modern design, with a frameless bezel that maximizes your screen space. The sturdy stand provides excellent stability and allows for height adjustment, tilt, and swivel, ensuring you get the perfect viewing angle. The monitor's premium build quality is evident, making it a stylish addition to any gaming setup. Now, let's move on to the display. The MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor boasts a 4K UHD resolution of 3840x2160 pixels, delivering breathtakingly sharp and detailed visuals. The IPS panel offers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, ensuring consistent picture quality from any angle. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, this monitor brings your games to life with stunning clarity and realism. One of the standout features of this monitor is its high refresh rate. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time, the MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor ensures smooth and fluid gameplay, even in fast-paced action scenes. This high refresh rate reduces motion blur and ghosting, giving you a competitive edge in your favorite games. Whether you're playing first-person shooters, racing games, or sports titles, this monitor delivers a seamless gaming experience. In addition to its impressive refresh rate, the MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium technology. This feature synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. FreeSync Premium ensures that every frame is rendered perfectly, allowing you to enjoy your games without any visual distractions. The MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor also excels in color accuracy and HDR performance. It supports HDR 400, which enhances the contrast and brightness, bringing out the details in both dark and bright scenes. The monitor covers a wide color gamut, ensuring vivid and lifelike colors that make your games and multimedia content look more realistic. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or playing games, this monitor provides an exceptional visual experience. In terms of connectivity, the MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor offers a variety of options. It includes multiple HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, and USB Type-C, allowing you to connect your gaming console, PC, and other devices effortlessly. The monitor also features a built-in USB hub, providing easy access to USB ports for your peripherals and accessories. This extensive connectivity ensures that you can easily integrate the monitor into your existing setup. The MSI MAG 32-inch gaming monitor is also designed with user comfort in mind. It features a blue light filter and anti-flicker technology, reducing eye strain during long gaming sessions. The ergonomic stand allows you to adjust the monitor to your preferred height and angle, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. Additionally, the monitor's on-screen display, UHD, is user-friendly, allowing you to customize settings and access features with ease. In conclusion, the MSI MAG 32-inch 4K Premium Pro gaming monitor is an outstanding choice for gamers looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. Its sleek design, stunning 4K resolution, high refresh rate, and advanced features make it a top-tier gaming monitor that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or a tech enthusiast, this monitor has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.